Good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening, or good night. This is Jen at JensArtyInclinations, a place to create, share, and play.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Out With a Bang, a collaboration hosted by Mandy from SunflowersAndDors and Julie from Julie's Papercrafts. It's all happening in the Junk Journal Fix Facebook group throughout August. There are discounts off the kits that we're all using. And there are also freebies for those of you who are unable to get the kits in the Junk Journal Fix Facebook group as well. It's running throughout August, and there are a whole month of incredible creators lined up every day all throughout August. And today I'm sharing my slot with Nat's Paper Possibilities. And our prompt today is simplicity. So if you're playing along, this is what I came up with. Sometimes we need a really quick journal card or something to put into a pocket. So I printed out this lovely page of photos in one of Mandy's kits, and then I printed it double-sided. So she's got some pages in there that are background pages. And this is where digitals really come into their own. Sometimes we just need something quick. So I'm going to show you the basic, just using your printed piece. Then I'm going to just step it up a little bit and then step it up a little bit again, giving you a couple of little really simple, quick options to make your own journal cards and so forth. So what I used was my corner chomper, and I just chomped around the corners. And as you saw, I used a little guillotine to cut them up very quickly, not including the printing because that depends upon your own printer. But to get these to this step, with inking around the edges and rounding the corners and chopping them up, that literally took me 3 minutes. So, there really is something to be said for when you find some beautiful images from somewhere that you can use. And these would be beautiful to pop into pockets just like that. But I'll grab a couple, and I thought it would be nice to add some journaling space. So when you're printing them double-sided, it means that on the back you're going to get a lovely border around them. So again, I'm rounding the corners, and all I'm using is just some coffee-dyed scrap offcuts that I've roughly measured by eye down to size, and as I said, rounding corners of the little scrap pieces. And then I'm going to paste them onto the back. So that means you've got a lovely journaling spot, but you've got the lovely border as well around it. I'm inking the edges, again, just so that it keeps it all in the same sort of consistency. And then, just pasting them down onto the backs. Now, to get to this point, it took me all of 5 minutes. So again, that's where simplicity comes in this one. It's about sometimes just go simple. Just keep it simple and you'll get a beautiful result. And that is beautiful just as is. So then here's the second little one, pasting that one down as well. And then I have a final little tweak that you can have, that you can still do it all within 10 minutes and yet just have it a little bit more stepped up again for your own pieces. So there are the two, just plain little cards with journaling on the back. And then the offcuts that I cut around, I just use them to make some tab tops. If you've got a punch, that makes fast work, but otherwise just cut out squares and fold them in half. But then I'm just simply cutting these out as little whale tails because I had that punch, and then I'm pasting them over the top. So super fast, all done within 10 minutes. So there you are, from a single sheet of photos, using a background page to print on the back. You've got something you can slot in a pocket, adding some coffee dyed paper on the back. Then you can add a journaling spot, and then you can even, in your offcuts, cut some little tab tops, and then you've got some little tabbed journaling cards. And here they all are again. So I hope you enjoyed. I thought simplicity was such a beautiful kit. I had to show you something really quick and easy that you could do with them. And with any lovely images that you find yourself doing, even if you're creating your own journal cards from scratch, this is just a really quick, super quick way to pull them all together. And I hope you're all enjoying the collaboration. All the links are below. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you again really soon. I'd love it if you could leave me a comment below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw today. And of course, please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. And in the meantime, keep creating. Enjoy!